Automate VX cameras bring everyone closer.
Close enough to see my expressions clearly.
Clear enough to read my body language.
Close enough to get my meaning.
Even if I'm way, way back here.
Or I'm walking around and presenting. The Automate VX solution gives remote viewers a more cinematic experience.
No more jarring camera moves.
Just smooth, clean cuts from speaker to speaker.
So, as each one of us speaks,
The cuts happen as smoothly as the conversation.
even if we're both sitting on the same side of the table.
Just like watching a movie, and just as engaging. Keeping distractions to a minimum is key to keeping remote participants focused. With Automate VX, the camera always stays on the speaker, even if someone coughs or sneezes.
Or eats a bag of chips while I'm talking.
The focus never strays from who is speaking.
Even if there's an interruption while I'm still talking, the camera stays on me.
Unless I'm the one running the meeting and I need to refocus the conversation. The system can be set to ensure the camera always moves to me whenever I talk. With Automate VX, multiple cameras means more immersive experiences. For example, you get a close-up of me as I'm speaking, as well as a wide shot of the room.
When I join the conversation, we'll appear side by side, so you'll see us interact, no matter where we're seated at the table.
When I join the conversation, I appear with the person who spoke before me, making it easier to follow the action.
With conversation mode, viewers will always see both sides of the conversation, as well as the reactions of everyone else in the room.
Adding context that helps you understand what's happening in the meeting.
With a touch of a button, you can switch room designs and custom layouts to match changes in room layout or meeting types. Today, this room will be a training room.
With Intelligent Room Designer, you don't program a room, you visualize it. I've uploaded a floor plan for a training room to show you how it works. First, I'll add the microphones, 2 for a room this size. Next, I'll add positions for people speaking in the seating areas. If the positions get too close together or too far from the microphone, a red line tells me I need to adjust the placement or add more microphones. And since this is a training room, we'll need to create positions for the presenter. Now for the cameras. 2 in the front and an auto tracker in the back of the room to track the presenter. Now I'll match the cameras to positions throughout the room. You can adjust the shot width however you would like. Now you can see how your room is set up to operate. All that's left is to export the design.
Your Automate VX solution automatically follows who's talking so remote viewers can follow the conversation naturally. Here's how it works. Automate VX technology intelligently uses data from microphones throughout the room to direct the right camera to the right speaker. Right now, it's focused on me.
Now that I'm talking, you see Automate VX has taken the data from the microphone to make sure the right camera is directed at me.
No matter where I am in the room, this technology knows to put me in the spotlight, because I'm the one talking.
And it happens automatically without lifting a finger.